welcome to Geometry.
There we go. Okay, so here's what circles don't have they don't have edges, they don't have sides. You can't do like we did with triangles because they go round and round. So they've got some new parts that we got to talk about. Very easy, very, very easy. So the first thing is circles. We can't measure, we can't actually see how long each side is. So what we're going to be talking about is the outside part of a circle. So don't use your highlighter yet. We're going to be talking about this stuff. It is called arcs. They are parts of the crust. Don't highlight yet. Don't highlight yet. Right? The outside part, like the crust of a pizza in a circle, is called an arc. And arcs of circle, you're going to write this, the outside edge. And we're going to measure them, and we're going to do stuff with them, and it's going to be a little slice of awesome, right? So first thing is, we got to know how to write them. Like we learned how to write in those angle things. Arcs are super easy to write because we just give them a little hat. And here's how that works. I've got this little piece right here. So go ahead, get your little highlighter out, whatever color you have. I want you to highlight from here to here. That is a little piece of circle. I don't call it little piece of circle because that would be weird. I call it an arc of a circle. Bless you. And the way that I tell you I want this little piece is I talk about its beginning point and its end point. So I would say A to C, but you know what? You don't know what that is. So I give it this cute little hat, right? That's how we label an arc. Give it a cute little hat.
We're going to write that.
You are going to say they are written like this. First letter, end letter, right? That's what we're doing.
Wait, what's that say?
First, the little AC, first letter, end letter. It's supposed to be letter. No one can read that because I write that.
Wait, what did that say?
First letter, end letter.
Oh.
That's how we label it. But there's a problem here. And the problem is this. I also have a piece of circle. So right now, if you have another color of highlighter at your desk, I'm going to come bring one to you guys because you guys have another color.
Hey boys, rotate color.
If you have another color of highlighter at your desk, you guys have another color of highlighter, right? You're going to share this other color of highlighter. Watch what? You have another arc. You got this guy. So what I'd like you to do, get your little highlighter, go this way. And that's a problem. And here's the problem. It starts with an A and it ends with a C, just like the green one. And right now, I can't tell them apart, but they are obviously very different. One is very big and one is very small. So here's what we do. If it is a little arc, and what I mean by little or minor, it is less, you're going to write it right here, less than half a circle. If it is less than half a circle, you only have to use 2 letters. Bless you, bless you. You only have to use 2 letters. If it is more than half a circle, we use 3 letters. Does that make sense? So the green one is half, we go A and C. If we want to label the big one, we're going to call it ADC, ADC, right? We got to tell it, hey, we're going all the way around. Please make sure the beginning and the end, bless you. And look, it's angles were weird, but look how nice this is. This says you start at A, you pass through D, you end at C. So it goes in that order. The little endpoints are where the little endpoints are. He's called major arc, and you know what he is? He is more than half a circle. That was terrible. So more than half a circle. Okay. So we can't really go around and measure circles because it's tricky to do, right? So here's what we do. We actually give these little pieces degrees. So I was joking around with some guys in my 3rd period. They are really, they have those tech decks out, and I was making fun of them. I said, your tech decks are like little Barbie skateboards. And they're like, no, they're not. And I go, they are. And so I gave them a Barbie to ride on their little Barbie skateboards. This is Barbie and Barbie. I don't know. This is Barbie wearing rubber bands. So here's what. If Barbie, they gave her a name. They called her Monica. If Monica is really good on the skateboard and she's able to do the spinning thing, she goes all the way around. What do we call that? A 360. Same with circles. Circles are 360 degrees around. So you're going to go ahead and write that right there.
Wait, I think I know what to do. You use 360 minus 84, and you find the rest of it.
That's what we're going to do.
God, it's so smart, Tino.
Okay, so here's what. Oh, it's going to get even weirder now. Hold on a second. Because I got Monica. We got Monica out. So here's what. Sometimes we can't really measure that part. So, oh my Lord, I can't believe I'm choosing it this way. I'm gonna get fired, but you know what? Why not? Monica is gonna sit right here, and Monica's gonna put her legs like this, and I am measuring the angle. That is called not a Monica angle. It's called a central angle. And here's what it goes. It's got the vertex at the center, and the two little edges are not Monica's legs. They're the little radiuses. But we call that in math radii. That's the fancy way to say that word, radii, right? So for example, again, I don't call it the Monica thing. Her little dress is too tight, so she can't really open her legs all that much. I would call the central angle here angle ABC. Angle ABC. And you know, no one at home, they're going to be like, what the Monica? So here's what's cool. If I want to know how many degrees this part is, the little crust, I just look at the central angle. They are the same. So if that's 84, then that's 84, right? So here's what we need to know. The sum, we know the sum of all of them are 360 degrees. And here's what we know. The measure of the angle and the central angle and the arc, these two guys together, equal each other. So the angle equals the arc. The central angle, the middle Monica angle, is the same as the arc between her little legs. And look, I'll put her little feet here. There she is. Because, you know, people at home don't really see it, right? So that's Monica. She's sitting right there. She does her little angle. And whatever that angle is, same with the area in that this arc in between. So here's what I know. I'm going to do Tino now. Tino got me going. Tino said, Tino said this is 84, which is perfect because Tino knew that from A to C is 84. But now I want you with your neighbors, grab a calculator out if you don't already have one. Get one going. If you don't like doing math by hand.
You know, Beth,
It's 274.
It is 274, you freak.
Hey, I got 274.
you need one?
Oh, is it 276?
Alright, dang it, Will.
So close.
God,
Don't throw.
No.
Oh, my brain's like, my finger's so sorry.
I got 276.
276.
276.
Okay. So that's the start. Oh, you know, people are really, really sad. Like so many people out.
No.
Fair.
I walked into my last Costco.
Oh, yeah, I did too. Oh, you did that. You did the walkout. Okay. Let me finish. Tino. Typing. They're so. I listened to yesterday's. It was so weird. So here's what we're done learning the tricks to this. Now we're gonna do the math of it. Now, everybody ready? We're going on to the examples. I got 4 examples, and then I'm quiet. But here's, if I teach you nothing else this year, you guys have been trained deeply, deeply, deeply to start a problem and go right here. And I'm going to break you of that today. We are not going to start with those things. We don't care about those things yet. What we want to do for the rest of this year is put all of our numbers on this thing, and then it's very easy to pick off our answers on here. Does that make sense? So none of you are going to take a problem and be like, Miss T, I'm going to start right away. No, because you don't know enough. So here we go. Let's start here. If this is 122, then this guy is 122. Fire. Fiery, fiery good. The diameter cuts our circle in half. So if this is half of a circle down here and the whole thing is 360, what if you're a crappy skateboarder and then can only go halfway around? 180. Now, yes, because I know this is 122. I know this whole half is 180. So I'm going to use my little calculator and say, wait a second, I'm going to get rid of that 122 and I am left with 58. Now we head over here and do it and watch how easy it is. The first problem says ST. I go S to T, 122. If I just try to start there, it won't work. So now we go to the next one, R to S. Do I have to do any work? I don't, because I built it first. We build it and then we go here, right? It's kind of like you're going to cook. You don't just start putting stuff in the pan, because if you're out of something, you're screwed, right? You get all your ingredients out. Last one, be careful on this one. Get a calculator out. We want to go S to R to T. You're going to add them because you're going all the way. Sweet, sweet Monica. Ooh, she's going. I'm not even going to say. Let's stop. I know. I stopped. 58. I'm going to get 238. About 238. How about 238 instead of 283? Are we good? You feeling it? Hey, I forgot to throw something though. These are all degrees. Because they're like angles. They're degrees. They're not actual inches. They're degrees. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we got the basics down. Let's go ahead and try this next one. Oh, this one's gonna be a little bit tricky. We got some things happening here that we need to talk about. First thing I know, oh, you're like, Miss T, what's happening? Let's start by putting this guy here, 87. And we know this is half of it. I got 72 right here, 87. You know that top piece is 180. Do a little bit of subtracty action here. Almost.
93.
I got this one and one more, and then I'll let you walk. 93, is it?
15. What?
I'm going to do 70. I do 180.
Oh, plus 87.
Minus 72.
15.
Minus 87. I got 50. I got 21.
Oh, I thought it was adding.
Do you see why?
Yeah.
We're good? Now, okay. I need everyone's eyes up here. You can put your pencils down. You can watch me. Huh. So one day, I felt really bad. I used to share. Do you guys remember you were in this room, right? And poor Mr. Wilson, man. He was struggling. And I was in here third period. And one day he was trying to get you guys to practice alternate interior, corresponding angles, all that. So he kept saying, what are these two? And you guys were trying. And you're like, alternate interior. He's like, no. And corresponding. And then you started just shouting anything out. You're like, supplemental, dogs, cats. Like you're just anything. And like it was so painful to me. So I will never forget this. The one he wanted you to do is a thing that I call the bow tie situation. If you have a thing that looks like a bow tie, if this is 50 degrees, what's the guy directly? It's 50. You know, that's called vertical angles are congruent. I want you to watch for something here. Look at this. Do you see that little bow tie action? If that's 72 right here, what's that guy got to be? 72. 72. Right? Gotta watch for those.
And the other one's like,
Yeah, the other one's going to be what? 180? Take
like
away
108.
108. Do we get how I got those? So now I'm going to be quiet for a minute. I'm going to walk around and check everyone, see if anyone needs any individual help before we do the last problem. Can you please, with your neighbors, fill this out, right? Just use the drawing up here, right? Because now you got, or on your paper, now you know all of these little pieces. And once you know all the little pieces, all you do is start saying, oh, you need this piece, you need this piece, you need this piece. You with me? So if I want to know angle UXV, watch this, UXV, oh, that little guy, 72, right? But the key is to get all of your arcs, this whole unit. That is the key to this unit. Before you start, get all those little units, all those little pieces. Once you got all the little pieces, the math is easy. I'm going to do it while you're doing it because I haven't done it yet. ST, I got 21. W to V. Oh, 108. T to W. Oh, I got to do a little adding there. 93, does that seem right? And a big one, TVW. T to V to W. That's a big one. I got to add all of that stuff up. Almost ready. We got one more problem and then she's ready to go. And Will. Okay, we're gonna do one more and then we'll be quiet. 108 plus 72 plus 87. Are we good? Did you get 267?
Yeah.
Am I good? Okay, last part, best part. My favorite thing in geometry is when we take very baby algebra, put it on a thing because it makes it so easy for me to do. So here's the last thing I want to do with you guys. I'm going to do this problem right here. Now, there are two ways to do this problem. It's going to be so easy. Wait. So easy. You can do this problem an easy way or a hard way. We're going to do it the easy way. So here's what I know. Right here.
26 across.
Tell me something about this much. How does that add up to be? 180. Does everyone see it? I'm making sure I'm looking at people's eyes. You saw that's 180. So guess what? Your math problem is right here. 15x minus 26 plus 26 equals what?
180.
Light math. Baby algebra.
Yeah, we did this yesterday.
We did.
That's it.
Do it.
So 16x equals 180.
Do you want to divide by 15?
12.
Fire.
Oh,
Is he still here?
154.
he's roaming outside.
Y'all make him come out.
154.
Oh, he's here.
Okay. You want to take a quick walk?
Yeah.
And then you'll come back and work on the homework?
Wait, why don't you get a walk?
I need a break.
You know what?
I need a brain break.
Want some professional discussion.
I need a brain break.
Hey, before they go, can we look at one more together and then we're gonna be quiet?
What's the answer?
Oh, the answer was 12.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you this one. These are for some of my kids who are looking for a B or an A. Watch what's gonna happen. Yes, thank you, baby girl. Ethan, Steve.
Valentino Xavier. Oh my God.
Ethan.
Shut up.
Xavier.
God. Valentino Xavier. You're going home. Going home.
Oh, sorry, babe. This is 1241. Okay. Oh, that's right. Okay. So we have options on this one. Watch what we can do. Are you guys ready? Check this out. Look at this. I've got that bow tie action happening. Do you see it? I got these two guys add up to this guy. It's light algebra. It's not even scary, but it's kind of cool because it sets it up. Gross. Still gross. Put it down. Gross. Here's what we're gonna do. Tino, do this problem. Set those two guys up to 103. I am stopping here. Ray, do you need me? I'll be there in a sec. For my people who have made it through this crazy lesson, I'm saying goodbye. You have a good week.